welcome to Viscount Leisure at Southampton. Here we have a fantastic valued part exchange clearance to sell. It's a 2011 Bailey Pegasus Verona. Externally we're benefiting from alloy wheels, an underslung spare wheel carrier, remote control motor mover, roof mounted TV aerial and a stabiliser hitch, barbecue point, etc, etc. Really well appointed. Moving on in, a nice spacious lounge area, bright and cheerful upholstery and furnishing. We've got dual powered water heater, dual powered room heating in this model. Kitchen wise, we've got 4-burner hob, separate grill, separate oven, 3-way fridge with freezer box above. Obviously your sink, and on the other side here we've got the microwave. Lots and lots of storage in this model. Okay, going on through to the bedroom, we've got the French bed there. More storage, double wardrobe. And then finally moving on through to the washroom, which runs across the full width of the back of the caravan. Nice large mirror there. Cassette toilet. Vanity storage. Wash basin and a huge fully lined shower cubicle. If you're not local to us and want to arrange a virtual appointment for this caravan, just give us a call. Drop us an email at sales@viscountleisure.co.uk, and we're still offering free delivery within 150 miles of our premises here at Southampton. Many thanks.